welcome if you're new. My name is Emma and this is Emma's Cottage. In today's tutorial, I am going to sublimate on a really cute 80-piece glitter sublimation puzzle. This is the first time I've ever done this, so you guys are going to tag along with me today to see how it turns out. Where did I get my puzzle? I got my puzzle from mycraftsource.com. This is an 80-piece glitter puzzle, so I'm really excited. If you tilt it to the side, you can somewhat see like a little glitter going on, so I'm really excited to see how this is going to turn out. I've been contemplating what I wanted to put on it. I had a few different ideas, and some ideas just off the top of my head that I didn't end up doing, but I think would be cute. Let's say, you know, back when I was in high school and you had to ask somebody to go to a school dance or you had to respond with a yes, this would be really cute. Like, will you go to Sadie Hawkins with me or whatever? And you send it to them with the puzzle pieces apart and then they have to put the puzzle together. I mean, I think that would be adorable. Another thing that I was thinking of for like Valentine's Day, it would be so cute if it said like, the missing piece is, and then maybe one of these little pieces has like you written on it or something. Like, I don't know. Those are just my thoughts. But what did I do? I actually found a really cute design from designbundles.net. I will make sure that I have that linked in the description below. Now this was with, I think I purchased this with one of my Plus credits. You should still be able to purchase it by paying for it, but if you are a member, it was only costed me 1 credit for this cute design. Now this design is going to be backwards because when you sublimate, you're supposed to mirror your items. So you're not going to see exactly how cute it is right now, but once we sublimate on it, it's going to be adorable. It's just a whole bunch of cute little Valentine's Day words that I'm going to sublimate on this puzzle. So what are we going to do first? Let's take it out of the wrapping paper. Now typically they say that you need to pre-press anything that you're sublimating. The instructions for this didn't say you had to, so I don't think I'm going to. It's been in its plastic wrap since I got it, so I'm not really worried about this having moisture in it. We'll see. You guys are gonna watch me either totally mess it up or not. Now it came with a piece of cardboard underneath. I'm gonna leave that there because I would hate to have this fall apart right now and then I have to put back a blank puzzle. That would be really difficult. So I'm gonna leave it just like this. You wanna definitely make sure that there's nothing on it. I don't even dare lint roll this because if any of these pieces come out, I would be really sad. But I know I have one of these like lint-free pieces of fabric. I'm just going to use that just to make sure I get any excess fingerprints or anything off of it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and get a piece of butcher paper to lay underneath. It'll just help me tape down my sublimation print. Go ahead and lay that down. And then I'm actually going to cut around this so that I can see it better, so that I line it up better. It'll just help me know if I'm getting it center. All right. And really it doesn't matter right side up or upside down, it's a puzzle, and it doesn't really matter how you're going to lay this, it's going to be the same. I'm gonna lay it right here, just making sure that it's covered on all the sides. I may have made this just a tad too big, but I think it'll be okay. Let's put it about there. I'm gonna get my heat resistant tape and I'm gonna go ahead and tape down at least 4 of this each side. So 4 pieces of tape. I'm just doing that to make sure that it doesn't shift. Because if it does, then you guys could get ghosting and then that's not gonna look very good. Another thing that's really cute that I've seen people do for these puzzles is like family pictures and stuff. Like, I really wanna try one of those, so I'm gonna have to order another puzzle so that I can try it. I'm gonna put another piece of butcher paper over the top. Now you'll see some people don't do this step. I do, because in my experience, I've only found 1 piece of sublimation paper that doesn't blow through, and that was from knockcustoms.com. They have an awesome sublimation paper that doesn't blow through. But right now I have a lot of sublimation paper that I need to blow through because I've got tons in stock. Lots of different companies send me some stuff just to try to see what I think. Right now I'm currently trying StarCraft sublimation paper. I actually really like it. It has a very good release of ink. It doesn't blow out as much as other papers, but it does still blow out a little bit. So I would recommend still using butcher paper on your StarCraft paper. Okay, so the instructions said to press it for 400 degrees for about 30 to 45 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and go the full 45. We'll see what happens. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I'm excited. So like I was saying before, sometimes it will blow out just depending on the paper. StarCraft doesn't blow out as much as other papers that I've seen, but it still blows out just a tad. I just don't want any of that ink on my Teflon sheets or on my press. So I'm just extra careful, you guys. All right, let's see how this puzzle turned out. Fingers crossed, it's amazing. I always use my Cricut spatula. People use this to peel up their vinyl. I use it to peel up my sublimation prints because I like to go peekaboo and I like to look at it and see what it's gonna look like, because if it's not quite ready, I want to repress it without shifting the image. It's amazing, it's adorable, and it's the exact pink that I wanted. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It turned out adorable. You guys, look how cute. Now, I don't know if I mentioned this, just in case, well actually I did. I mentioned that I had the butcher paper on the bottom so that I could help tape it down, but I also do that because just in case my sublimation print is a little long, I don't want it to bleed onto the base of my press. So I always encourage when you're doing things like this, make sure you're covering the base of your press as well. Look how cute this turned out. I love it. Let me give you a close up here. So cute. Now, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the glitter in the camera, but it definitely has a cute little coating of glitter on it. Is that adorable or what? And it's the red and the pink. It's just so vibrant. So it turned out great. Super, super great. So if you're interested in trying a fun sublimation puzzle just like this one, go ahead and check out mycraftsource.com. Use the code MSCottage to get an additional 5% off your total order. And you know what? Follow us in our Facebook group, which is MS Cottage DIY, because I want to see what you're going to create with your cute puzzle. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram, MS Cottage DIY. All right, you guys, that is it for today's tutorial. What'd you guys think? I love it, and I can't wait to start taking it apart so that I can put it back together again. I love puzzles. Do you guys? Always, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my content, give me a thumbs up. It tells me that I'm in the right direction of what you guys are looking for. Don't forget to subscribe. The most important part, you guys, ring that bell so that you will get notified anytime that I upload a new video. Until next time, we'll see you later, friends.